Our planet is filled with resources. It's the home of thousands of them, with many supplies from which a benefit is produced that has utility. Plants and trees are an example of it. We obtain oxygen and clean air from them, but we also obtain from them an important material we use every day: wood.
As the majority of furniture is made of wood, we wish to create it in a different way without causing deforestation, because Mexico is among the top 10 countries with the highest deforestation rates. That eventually will end up in desertification and the production of greenhouse gases. We also found that plastic pollution is another problematic in Mexico, as it is the #1 consumer of plastic bottles worldwide. And just barely of them are recycled. Most of them end up in the ocean or in the ground. Therefore, the lack of consciousness for the environment is clearly affecting these both rates.
Natural-based furniture is our innovation. As all furniture, it should be functional and aesthetic. Our product will be eco-friendly since it will not be harmful to the environment. It will be made up of inorganic materials such as water and organic materials such as bioplastic, starch, glycerin, vinegar, and most importantly, leaves. Leaves are something that trees produce and the majority of people see as garbage, but we have decided to use them instead of wood so we can help diminish deforestation rates. Another of our main materials is recycled plastic. From plastic bottles, as we already know, plastic pollution is a major problem.
Our idea of innovation will be cheap, which will help people in poverty situations, which is a problem that Mexico deals with every day. We are also conscious that our innovation must be sustainable, so it can be able to be maintained at a certain rate or level without harming future generations and maintaining a balance in the environment. It will be following the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, such as life on land and industry, innovation, and infrastructure. For it to be sustainable, it should follow the sustainable pillars. Our innovation requires economic development, environmental protection, and social development.
When we say environmental protection, it requires the conservation of natural resources, and when we say economic development and the consumption of resources, we involve wildlife, water, soil, and certainly plants and trees. When this protection, conservation, and consumption of resources is in balance, we guide the world for a better future, and that's what our product will try to do.